All right, so what about problems like these? When you have 12 colon 24 equals x colon 21. So I'm going to write this out as a fraction. Remember, you can always write ratios out as a fraction. And then we are setting these two as a proportion. So this becomes a proportional equation. Now, because these two are set equal to each other, because there is an equal sign between the two fractions, I can cross multiply 24x equals 21 times 12. So I did 24 times x equals 12 times 21, or 21 times 12. So now what I have to do is to find or solve for x. So I have to go on my calculator, and then I'm going to do 21 times 12. And what would that give me? 252. So 24x equals 252. I'm trying to solve for x, so I divide both sides by 24. And that gives me 10.5. Now I'm going to go to the question and then check what is in the parentheses. It says that, oh, type a whole number or a decimal. So I have a decimal, so I'm good to go, right? So because I have a decimal, I am good. So I have 10.5, and that's it. Another problem. So with this one, I have 5 colon 10, this 5 over 10 equals x colon 90. I'm going to cross multiply. Why am I cross multiplying again? Because I have an equal sign between these two fractions, right? So these two fractions are set equal to each other as a proportional equation. So 10 times x equals 5 times 90. 10 times x equals 450. I divide both sides by 10. So x equals 45. And if you think about it, this is so true. What is true? 5 times something gives you 45, right? 10 times 9 gives you 45. So going from 10 to 90, I have to multiply by 9. Because both are set equal to each other, then I have to multiply 9 on top as well. All right. Now, what about this one? With this one, I have 12.4 mg colon 2 equals 22 mg colon x. Again, you cross multiply. I have 12.4 x equals 2 times 22. So 12.4 x equals 2 times 22. This is 12.4 x equals 44. I divide both sides by 12.4. 12.4. So what is x going to give me? 44 divided by 12.4. And I think that will give you 3.548. But if you check the parentheses here, it says round to the nearest tenth. And I have x to be equal to 3.548. So that gives me 3.5 ml. And that's it. All right. The last one. And then I'm going to end this video. So again, we have 1,000 units. Now make sure you check the units check the units to make sure they are the same. 2300 units over X ml, right? So you cross multiply. So units, remember units on top, ml at the bottom. So you cross multiply, you have 1000 X equals 1 times 2300, which is 2300. You divide by 1000, you divide by 1000. And this should give you 2.3 ml, 2.3 ml. All right, so keep practicing and reach out to me if you need help. Bye.